Good morning students, how are you all? Today we are going to start our remedy pack part 2. Our subject is maths, page number 1, question number 1. Fill in the numerator to make the fraction equivalent. The upper part of a fraction is known as numerator and we have to find numerators in all these fractions to make these fractions equivalent. SLO, identification of the equivalent fraction. After doing this question you will be able to identify the equivalent fractions. First question we have 1 over 3 is equals to dash over 6. We have to fill this blank. Okay. We have 1 by 3 and here we have 6. When we multiply 3 by 2 we'll get 6. It means here 3 is multiplying by 2. One thing, when we multiply the denominator with any number, we will have to multiply the numerator with the same number. So now we'll multiply 1 by 2. 1 2s are 2. Here we have 2 by 6. So our numerator is 2. Okay, next we have 2 by 3 is equals to dash over 6. Again, when 3 is multiplied by 2, we'll get 6. So we have to multiply 2 by 2. 2 2s are 4. Here we have 1 by 3 and in this fraction denominator is 12. 3 4s are 12. It means we have to multiply 1 by 4. 1 4s are 4. 1 by 6 and here we have 12 in the denominator. 6 2s are 12. It means 6 is multiplied by 2. We have to multiply 1 by 2. So 1 2s are 2. 5 by 6 and here we have 12. 6 is multiplied by 2, then we'll get 12. So here we have to multiply by 5 by 2. So 5 2s are 10. 2 by 3. Which number is multiplied by 3 to have 24? 3 8s are 24. So we have to multiply 2 by 8. 16. In 7th question we have 1 by 6 and here we have 24. As we know, 6 4s are 24. 6 is multiplied by 4. So we have to multiply 1 by 4. So 1 4s are 4. 1 by 3 and here we have 24. 3 8s are 24. So we have to multiply 8 by 1. So 8 1s are 8 or 1 8s are 8. 5 by 6 and here we have 24 again. 6 4s are 24. So we have to multiply 5 by 4. 5 4s are 20. In this part we have 1 by 12 and here we have 24. 12 2s are 24. It means 12 is multiplied by 2. So we have to multiply 1 by 2. So 1 2s are 2. 12 2s are 24. So we have to multiply 5 by 2. 5 2s are 10. 12 2s are 24. So we have to multiply 11 by 2. 11 2s are 22. Okay students, question number 2 is compare the fractions less, greater or equal. SLO is comparison of fraction. In first part we have two fractions, 3 by 6 and 4 by 6, and we have to compare which one is greater or smaller or equal. They are not equal because both fractions are different. So we have to find which one is greater and which one is smaller. Here I have drawn two equal boxes. First fraction is 3 by 6. So in first box we have 6 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and we have to shade 3 out of these 6. Here I have shaded 3 parts. In second fraction we have total 5 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and we have to shade 4 out of 5. So I'll shade 4 parts out of these 5 parts. So which box has larger number of or larger area of shaded, that fraction is greater? This is 4 by 5 and this is 3 by 6. So 4 by 5 has larger shaded area, so 4 by 5 is greater fraction. Okay. Next question we have 1 by 4 and 1 by 6. This is 1 by 4 and this is 1 by 6. This has 4. So you can see that 1 by 6 has smaller shaded area and 1 by 4 has larger shaded area. So 1 by 4 is a larger or greater than 1 by 6. Next question we have 5 by 8 and 6 by 10. Here I have drawn 2 boxes. This is for 5 by 8 and this is for 6 by 10. I divided this box into 8 parts and shade 5 of these, and I divided this into 10 parts and shaded 6 out of this. As you can see, 5 by 8 has greater shaded area, so 5 by 8 is larger than 6 by 10. Next fraction is 3 by 6 and 4 by 5. Here we have 2 circles. First circle has total 6 parts according to this fraction, and second circle has total 5 parts according to this fraction. We will shade 3 out of this 6, and here we'll shade 4 out of 5. As you can see, there is a clear difference between both fractions. 4 by 5 has larger shaded area, so 4 by 5 is greater than 3 by 6. Next fraction we have 1 by 4 and 1 by 6. As we can see here, 1 by 4 and 1 by 6, 1 by 4 is greater than 1 by 6. Next question we have 5 by 8 and 6 by 10. Here we have 2 circles. First is showing the fraction 5 by 8 and second one is for 6 by 10. Here we have total 8 parts and we have to shade 5 out of these 8. And here we have total 10 parts and we shade 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. As you can see, 5 by 8 has more shaded area than 6 by 10, so 5 by 8 is greater than 6 by 10. I hope you understand. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.